Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video today, I will show you how you can create a full storybook, use AI and for free like this. Now, let's get started. First, go to Gemini AI, it's free to use, and click on option here and choose games. When you click on games, you can find here a lot of options, but choose storybook. When click on storybook, you can type any topic you want to generate storybook about. Oh, but in this video, let's choose any story suggested by Gemini AI. I will choose anyone in here. Let's choose this. Now, Gemini will generate me a full storybook with text and image just in one click. When finish, your storybook looks like this. Now Gemini it's finished, and this is the storybook with text, image and pages. You can download it by clicking on the button download here, and you can try the sound read listening by AI. That's it in this video. If you want more simple tutorial like this, subscribe to the channel and see you the next one.
The key to the new world. The boxes were stacked high, and the echoes were loud. Akito stood in the center of his new apartment, the keys feeling heavy in his hand. It was the first time that adulthood, he soon realized, was mostly about deciding what to eat. In the bright, hum-filled aisles of the supermarket, Akito stared at a head of cabbage as if it were a complex calculus equation. He missed the magic refrigerator at home that was always full of his favorite snacks without him ever asking. Then came the great trial of the bubbles. Akito stood before the humming machines of the laundromat, wondering exactly how much detergent was. The university lecture hall was vast, filled with the rhythmic scratching of pens and the soft glow of laptop screens. Midnight at the library had a heartbeat of its own. Surrounded by towers of books and the scent of bitter coffee, Akito put